And this good morning for all. So today concept is cost optimization. So we are already discussed this concept, in shell scripting. So now we are working on Python script. So this is the next level. So so what are the prerequisites? We need to work on this scenario. So you can see, this is a code. Okay, so what are the prerequisites here? So we need to set up the Ubuntu server, and we need to provide, access key, secret key. I need to install AWS CLI, and then I need to install the Python. Okay, then I need to install the Boto 3. Okay, so here I provide the, for Boto 3 installation steps. It is optional, so we need to export. By using of export also, we can provide the, our user variables. Okay. These are our traditionals we can pass by using of export. So this is optional. Uh, Let me go with the explanation part. Okay, this is the step one is we need to import the Boto 3 module. So if Boto 3 module, so Python programmer, it is interact with the AWS services. The second step is create the EC2 client. So EC2 client, I want to interact with AWS EC2 service, right? So that's why we need to create the Boto 3 EC2 client. Then we need to describe our instant details by using a filter, which are all stopped instances. We need to filter. Then we can, the step four, we provide this should be, um, this should be, nested structure. So in reservation, we find the reservation IDs. Then we'll find the instant ID. Under reservation IDs, we will find the our instant ID. So that's why we provide this command. Okay, and these are all reservation. Under reservation, each and every reservation IDs, under we have instant IDs. So after running this command, you can learn more. Okay, so then the step five. So we'll get the instant ID by using of this command. Then we can use for print command to print our instant ID, which are all stopped instances. Then we can terminate by using of this command. Okay, go down. You can see now, target AWS single region cost optimization, EC2 stopped instances, and unattached DBS volumes, and release the IP. So those are all services which are available. So that's why we need to remove. So for cost reduction purpose. Okay, and here import the border 3. So we need to import the border 3. So we need to install in border 3 in our Linux server. Okay, this is easy to client we need to create for specific region. Okay, so delete the instances. That's why we are used for filters. The value which are all stopped instance, we can find it. So here this is around nested structure. So in reservation, we find for reservation ID and then find the instance ID, then print, and after that we will terminate our instance ID. Okay. So then after we go with volumes. Okay, the volumes also. So we can, which are all available volumes, we need to uh, find the volume ID and terminate the volume ID. Okay. Then we'll go with the elastic IP. So then find the elastic IP which are all not attached with our EC2 server. It should be showing none value, which are all those IPs are not attached with the instance, showing the none value. Then find it our elastic IP address. Then we need to release the elastic IP address. So come down. So this is related to import, targeting multiple region and cost optimization for all region we need to do for cost optimization in our account. Okay. So here we are providing, we create the client and in the region. So describe for all region. Okay, and then go below here, the loop will run each and every region, find it each and every region, and create the both 3 EC2 client, and delete our instances, and delete which are all available volumes, uh, and then elastic IPs also. Okay. Okay, so this is okay. So let me go with lab explanation. So after working on this shell script, sorry, Python script, so then we'll go with lambda function to test our Python script. Okay, let let me set up our Ubuntu server. Okay, go down, select with Ubuntu. This is our already existed key pair. I'm selecting and then launch 7 instances. Okay, let me refresh. Just showing the output in. I think it will take a time. Let me wait a few seconds. Need to restart. Yes, working now. Okay, Ubuntu. Okay, and update first for latest package installation, and then I'll go with our document cost optimization, right? Yeah. So Ubuntu server setup done, and I need to go with the IAM access AWS configure. Okay. Yes. AWS CLI we need to install first here. I think I need to install unzip first. Let me copy again for installation. Okay, it's done. So let me go with CLI installing now, and I need to configure AWS configure. Okay, AWS configure. I need to create the users and provide our access. Okay, here, and let me create the one user, like yeah, lambda, and go next. and data or permissions. Yeah. Here, you can select the admin access or so here, we are describing only for EC2, but admin should be optional, so you can select admin. Okay, then, so what next? So I go with the IAM user and lambda, okay, copy the our traditionals. East one. Okay, then fine. So then, and go with the other steps. Okay, and okay, JQ also optional, so I need to install pip Python. Then I will, after completing of Python, we need to install Boto 3. Here I'm facing some error, right? So that's why, here showing the create a new virtual environment by using this path, and then you can install the Boto 3. Okay, let me do as well here. So I'm create a new virtual environment. Okay, here I need to install this one. I need to activate first. Okay, okay. Okay. Now I'm in this environment, my env. Okay, then let me install model. Okay, the Boto 3 installed successfully. Okay, so let me go with our script. Like target the AWS single, not a single region. Let me select with for all region. Okay, equal cost dot py. Okay, code copy paste. Okay. Here you can see now. So copy it now. Okay, let me run our Python function. Okay, so function running successfully. Let me create the EBS volumes and elastic IP and servers. Okay, then check again. Here, let me create the server. The pair should be okay, as it and go with other region, Ohio. And here, let me create the ABS volumes. Okay, let me go with another region. Here, we can create the elastic copy. Then check. Elastic. Okay, yeah. So let me run again for this command. So EBS volume is deleted and elastic IP also will be deleted. Okay. And our server, in California, yeah, let me refresh here. It's not showing right now. Okay. In Ohio, I, in Ohio, EBS volume also gone. Yeah. And in North Virginia, go with our servers. So these are running state, right? Let me stop and check. Okay, it's taking time for stopping our servers. Okay, it will take a time and okay, then here I will explain little bit about for explanation. Okay, here you can see in the reservations. Okay, you can see the reservation IDs. Okay, but let me copy this command. Okay, so under reservation IDs, this is one more reservation ID, and these are one more reservation ID. Under reservation IDs, we can see instant IDs. So that's why we are provide this command. So, reservation. So the reservation in an instance. So because these are all nested structure only. Let me go with the JSON also. You can see now reservation ID, we have one instance. So this is one more reservation ID, and then we can only see one more instance. We cannot able to see in this reservation ID in manual. Okay, we can see only here on. Okay. Mm, I think yeah. I think our server is stopped state. Yeah. Let me run again. Okay. Terminated our instances. Okay, let me check. Yeah, terminated. Yeah, it is good now. So, our function executed successfully. It is fine, but it is not a good practice. So, Python script, we can run, a lambda function. Okay, so by using of lambda, we can do it for automation for this task. Okay, so let me go with our lambda function. Okay, so in our lambda function, what are the prerequisites here? So I we need to create a lambda function with the role. So in this role we need to provide the EC2 full access. Okay, in the lambda role. So and then copy our function, then deploy, test and deploy. So at the time we face some memory issue, and then we need to edit our uh, configuration details of the function, then run again. So I will explain for this. Okay, here the same function we are running. We release the elastic IP and release our EBS volume and terminate our ES2 instances. So the extra comments we are added import border 3, and we are adding lambda handlers event contest. Okay, so we are providing easy to client and check the each and every region, and terminate our which are provide the resources we need to terminate. Okay, so let me check with our lambda function. Okay. This is our interview questions. Did you have experience with AWS Lambda, or can you write a Lambda function automation task by using a Python script? I know these are all interview question I faced. So that's why we have provided the for this concept. Let me copy with our okay. This is we need to copy and create a Lambda function. Okay, let me go with Lambda. Here, the create a function, author of the scratch, and you can multi-region cleanup, new. Okay, and recommended Python version should be Python 3.12. Okay, and here you need to select the create a new role for lambda permissions. Okay. After creation of these functions, automatically create the one of the role. In this role, we need to provide the EC2 full access. Now creating the lambda function now. Okay. Yeah. Um, okay. Let me go with the role. Okay. I am go with the role. Okay. So multi region easy to clean up new role. So this is a lambda function I created by using a lambda function, create the one of the role, and I added to one permission here, easy to full access. Full access. Okay, this will be done. Okay, after that, what I need to do? So easy to full access given, and copy the our lambda function test and deploy. Okay, let me copy our lambda function. Okay, lambda. This is our new lambda 1 minute ago. Okay. Then, then I need to provide the our function information here. Okay. The file I need to save first. Let me click on save. Okay. Our file is saved now. So it should be maximized our screen. Okay. So here you can see now. So this is the we need to click on test. Okay. Okay. Our status code is 200 and so our function should be fine. Okay. The execution results should be 200. Okay. It should be fine our function and let me run again. And you can see now deploy. We click on deploy. After deploy, you can see the results now. So here I'm facing one error. The task timed out 3 seconds. We are running our function, our function it should be taking 3 or 4 minutes to 2 minutes above. But so that the execution, the our I mean the our lambda function configure the 3 seconds only. That's why we faced our error. Okay, we need to configure configuration details of the lambda. So you can see, so timed out in 3 seconds because we need to delete the ABS volumes and servers, stopped servers. We need to check with each and every region. At least we need to take it 2-3 minutes, like, and so here also we need to provide the maximum memory 5. Okay, at least okay. Then save and go with our code and maximize and test again. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, it is processing successfully. Okay, so let me do for testing purpose. I need to stop the our server first, our EC2 server, and I need to create the ABS volume and elastic cap in a different region for testing. For test our lambda function. Okay, let me stop with this server. Server stopping now, and let me go with other region, and yeah, create the volume, and then go with California elastic IP. Okay, so then I think our server stopped, right? Let me check again. Yeah, stop. Okay, let me run again our test. Okay, yeah, you can see now. So terminated at our instances US is to 1. And in East to Ohio, we delete the volume and elastic IP in US East West 1. Okay, so yeah. Now it is this is the automation task actually. No, we did by using of lambda function. Okay, so I hope you guys this concept you understand and for lambda function and this is you can see now here the cost optimization concept by related with shell scripting and you can see now this is the Python script. By using a Python script we can run by in lambda function. So this is our lambda function. Okay, for cost optimization. Okay, these are examples for automation tasks uh, for interview practice. So this is very help to you. And so thank you for watching our video. You and we will share the further interview questions. Thank you for and bye.